Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Brigham County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger Minute. This is Friday, September 7th, 2018, and got a couple things going on for next week I'd like to make mention of, and like to kind of go over that real quick. We've had an awesome week here at the high school. Appreciate all the hard work and the great efforts in our rooms and classrooms going on. A lot of great content being covered, a lot of great work by our students. So I hope they keep up the good work. I will tell you next Wednesday, September the 12th, will be our first 9 weeks midterm. So we'll be sending out progress reports next week. That'll have the status of your child at this point, up to 4.5 weeks into the school, into the 9 weeks. We'll also start making some phone calls for any students that are not passing their classes, and developing some plans for them, trying to get those grades up. One of our goals is not have failing classes here. So you might be getting a phone call from us, and but it'll be a team effort. We're in this together with you guys to try to figure out how we can get these kiddos on the right path and not having failing grades. We do have a big football game tonight, as our football team will be traveling to Meade County for a big rival game with them. We have had a great club day today, and all the students have got to go around and be in their club. Next week will be homecoming week, as Friday night our football team will host Ohio County here at Tiger Field. Game times at 7. Homecoming festivities will be at 6:30, and we will have a week to celebrate homecoming. So next week is called Homecoming Week of Champions, and we've got 2 different forms of to express our champion spirit and behaviors each day. You'll have an act to act out. You'll also have a form of dress to dress out and to show your spirit as a fighting tiger. So Monday will be compliments and cartoon character. Tuesday will be high five and hippie day. Wednesday will be acts of kindness and animal print day. Thursday will be motivate each other and dress like America day. And Friday will be pump up your tigers and maroon out. And you'll kind of notice it goes off of a champion theme there. So homecoming week of champions. Monday compliment. Tuesday high five. Wednesday act of kindness. Thursday motivate each other. And Friday pump up the tigers. So that's our week right there. I'll be sending that out on Notify Me so that everybody will have a good look at that. The rest of the week we've got going on next week, our cross-country team will be in action on Tuesday at Hancock County. They will also be in action on Saturday at Elizabethtown Fairgrounds Frenzy. On Tuesday, our volleyball team will be in action as they host Evans County here at Tiger Arena. Also on Thursday, our volleyball team will be at Owensboro. And on Friday, again, our football team will be hosting Ohio County here for homecoming. We do have a couple other things going on next week too. We have 2 college visits going on. On Wednesday, our seniors, some of our seniors will be going to Murray State for a college visit, and on Thursday, some of our seniors will be going to Campbellsville for a college visit. And that concludes the Tiger Minute. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.